Hello everyone, in this video I will cover the chapter motion. Now I will discuss about the new topic, this is motion. Different points which will be explained. Tense, second one displacement, third one speed, fourth one velocity, acceleration and retardation. Different equations and graph. So in this chapter I will cover the different parameter: distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration and retardation, and different equations of motions, and next graphical representation of the different equation or different state of motion. Suppose the object moves from point A to point B. The total path traversed, this is called distance. But the shortest path, this is called displacement. This is called displacement. So distance, this is the scalar quantity, but for displacement, this is the vector quantity. Next, speed. Speed can be defined as distance by time, and velocity can be defined as displacement by time. Speed, this is the scalar quantity and this is the vector quantity. What is the unit of speed and velocity? This is in SI system, this is meter per second. This is the unit. Uniform speed means equal distance in equal interval of time. Uniform velocity means equal displacement in equal interval of time. This is called uniform velocity. Now we are interested about the subtopic accelerations and retardations. Acceleration A. This is called change of velocity. That means velocity by time. This is also a vector quantity, and its unit is meter per second square. So acceleration is change of velocity by time. Suppose the object initial velocity u and its final velocity is v. So change of velocity is v minus u. You can write change of velocity. You can write change of velocity by time. You can write also v and minus u. That means change of velocity with respect to time. This is called a. So we can write the important mathematical equation: v is equal to u plus ap. This is equation of motion. Next we are interested about the graphical representation. Another equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. That means a object moving with initial velocity u after time t, suppose its acceleration is s, per displacement which will go to ut plus half at square. This is equation number 2. And third equation is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. This is the third equation. So this is the equation of motion. You have to remember this one. Next we are interested about graphical representation. So this is the time axis, x axis, and this is y axis. Suppose this axis represent displacement s. So this curve indicates at time t is equal to 0, displacement is equal to 0. Time increases, displacement increases. This curve represents this one. Suppose time and displacement. That means the time 0 the displacement is this, time 1 displacement is same, time 3 displacement is same, that means the body in rest condition. If you plot in velocity curve, this is the time axis and this is suppose velocity axis. This curve indicates that time t is equal to 0, its initial velocity is equal to u, time increases and its velocity increases, that means having some acceleration. So total displacement, suppose you want to consider total displacement. The total displacement is the total area. If you calculate total area, this will be the total displacement. So this is u and this is t, A, B, C, D, E. So area of A, B, C, D, E, this will be the total displacement. What is this? So this will be equal to the area of ACED plus area of ACB. What will be the area of ACB? This is U and T, that means length into breadth, that means U, T. Area of ACB means this is the triangle, half into AC into BC. That means UT plus half AC. AC means T. And what will be the value of BC? BC means at time t is equal to 0 U, at time t is equal to 1, suppose t is equal to 1, its value will be U plus A because its acceleration is A. Suppose time is equal to 2, is equal to U plus 2 I say. So at time t is equal to t, its value will be U plus AT. So this is U and this is U plus AT. So what will be the value of BC? This is AT. So you put this one AT. So you get UT plus half AT square. So this is the total displacement. So displacement you can calculate from the graph also. Total area of the graph, total area means area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. So area of the rectangle is equal to UT, area of the triangle is equal to half AT square. So total displacement is equal to AS is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the graphical representation for a accelerated body.